Hey y'all, it's Mariekan here. I am so excited to share this new Pastel Pop collection with you all first. So let's take a look. Here's the box. All right. Here's the first one. Oh. And of course, I'm going to pick out one like this first. So this one is called, and I'm still learning the names, the Lolly. And so it definitely has all the colors of a lollipop. And I'm told that this one is like a major sensation on TikTok, or this style necklace is a major sensation on TikTok. This is so pretty, y'all. This is going to be such a pretty piece for summer. Look at all of those gorgeous colors in there. And this beautiful, look at that, all the detail there. It can be worn either way. So they did a starburst design on the back side, and it comes off. So you can wear the necklace without it and put this on another necklace if you choose. So this is the Lolly, and it is so pretty. Oh, look, it even has a little place made so that when you go to hook it back on, you'll be able to put it exactly where it needs to go. So I think this one is beautiful. Tell me what you think. All right, number two, let's see what we got. Ooh, these are the splash earrings. I wasn't sure about these at first, and my friend said, Mariekan, you need those earrings. They're turquoise. And then I was like, oh yeah, they are turquoise. Now imagine this with your turquoise bracelet, the Ray bracelet. Okay, so this bracelet, I mean, look at that. That is so pretty. These are beautiful. And these are individual cabochons of turquoise. So I love these so much that I'm just going to have to put them on. So we can all see what they look like on. Oh yeah, those are totally me and so cute. Everybody's going to need these. What do y'all think? Is Splash on your list? Okay, let's see what we got next. I'll put these bracelets back here out of the way. And next, ooh, this is pretty. This one is called Token, and for all of my silver fans, I got this one just for you all because I knew you were going to love it. And it also is designer inspired. It is so pretty. Look at that. It has this brushed silver look to it, and that beautiful lock there, and then this thick paper clip style chain. I love Token. So Token is going to be one that you're going to wear a lot. It's like a great everyday. I mean, it's a great necklace. You need it, y'all. It's so hard when the new collections come out because everything is so pretty. And then, like, if there's something that I'm not sure of, then I see somebody do something with it, and I'm like, oh man, I do need that one. Okay, this one is called Misty. And it is this gorgeous, oh y'all, these stones, holy moly, this is pretty. And the stones in this look a lot like the stones in the cream bracelet. Let me grab it. Look at this. This goes like perfectly with the cream bracelet. If you've got the cream bracelet, then you need Misty. And Misty has this gorgeous moon and sun design on it. And we know that disc shapes, coin style necklaces are popular. And look at all of the detail work in there with those cut crystals. This is so pretty. And this one can also, you can take off the charm. And it's one of the ones that has a little notch in the circle. So you push in on it and it comes off. There we go. So you can take this off and wear this just like this. And you can also double it and wear it as a double Oh, that's going to be, look at that with these earrings, y'all. Holy moly, this is pretty. So this is the Misty. Is Misty on your list? And y'all have to remember, this is like the first time that I'm seeing this in person too. I am sharing my first response with you guys. So let's see what's next, right? Here we go. Oh, these are pretty too. Okay, so we looked at this token necklace. These go with the token. These are called the Fable earrings. And this dangly 3-heart design is really popular right now. These look really rustic. They kind of have like a Western style look to them to me. And these are going to be really pretty on. And these are like full on puffed hearts. And just look at these two together, y'all. I'm telling you, look at that. Isn't that pretty with those together? Those are the Fable. If you're a silver lover, then you're going to love, love, love those. Let's see what else we've got in here. Oh, this one is the one that was tops on my list. This is the Skylight bracelet. And the Skylight bracelet is really similar to, well, I probably have them in my room because I was wearing them. It's really similar to the Ivy, except for both of our Ivies, the black one and the mother of pearl one, are in gold. This is in silver. And look at this. And these are blue mother of pearl. This is so pretty. So my silver fans, this one's going to go fast. If you like this style bracelet, get it. I want a lot of them. I just think maybe if you put 2 or 3 of these on, how pretty that would be. I love this bracelet, so I'm really excited about this. This is Skylight. Let's see what we got next. Okay. Oh, I got 4 more. Oh, these are pretty too. These are one of those that I didn't know, I wasn't sure about, and then one of my friends showed them to me, paired with the new cross necklace that just came out that we just got in stock. What is it called? It wasn't in stock when I ordered, so I couldn't order it, but I'm going to be getting it. The Blessed necklace. These are like perfect with the Blessed. These are super pretty, y'all. They're open, so you have this open work and then the pearls in the middle. So they're going to have lots of light and movement from those pearls. These are really pretty. These would be pretty with what I have on, but I kind of like the splash. These are definitely a great summer look because they're light and airy, and I mean, pearls always a classic. These would go really great with this cream necklace and this new Misty as well. I mean, look at that. All of those are going to go great together too. And of course, me dropping things in the floor. I'm a klutz. Okay. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but my eyes are like almost glowing red because of the pollen and stuff, and they've been just a mess and stinging, but I knew that I had to hurry up and get on here and do this for y'all. Okay, this one is the Taffy necklace, and the Taffy is so pretty. I am a huge fan of the quadrifoil style, and this is a quadrifoil style necklace. They're small, tiny little quadrifoils, and they are enameled, and they're enameled on both sides. So if it flips, it still has the collar on it. And this one to me is just one of those perfect summer looks that you're going to want to have to layer with other things. I want to see what it tells me about it. Of course, I lost it. Here it is. Because I want to be able to tell you all. Okay, so quadrifoil, vibrant high gloss enamel, pastel pop, quadrifoils, polished. It's a polished statement piece. So yeah, everything I told you all. And I love this one, so I am putting it on. Now, I have got a couple more pieces in here. I am going to be ordering the rest of the pieces from the collection, but my budget was at max with just these. So the other ones will be coming, I promise. All right, I got that off. And I know a bunch of you all wanted to see the bonbon, and I did not get the bonbon because I traded them out for the splash. This is pretty. Look at that. You can't tell, but I have on a pink shirt. So pretty. Okay, let's see what else we got in here. Here, I already pulled it out. Oh yes, this one is one of my favorite pieces from the collection. I love flowers and I love butterflies. This one is the sorbet. And so we were talking about the bonbon a minute ago, and the colors in this are exactly the same colors that are in that bonbon earring. Look at the petals. They're pear-shaped, hand-dyed Austrian crystals, and look at them shine. This taffy necklace with this sorbet, I think, is going to be beautiful. And this one is like a 16-inch chain, and it is not removable. Oh, but look at the light go through it. It's got the light on both sides. Look at that. The back is pretty too, y'all. You could wear it with that side showing. That's pretty. All right, let's see. These get so tangled up if I don't get them off right away. I end up with knots in my necklaces. But I want to put this one on with this taffy so you all can see what it looks like. Okay. Getting the scissors because it keeps getting tangled around my fingers. All right. So let's see. Okay, I think I'm going to do it. Okay, should I do it longer or should I do like the messy look with it up higher? I kind of like it. Let's do it a little bit longer. And then, oh, that's pretty. I think that I want this one the longest though, to kind of frame that sorbet. And I'm going to shorten the sorbet to about there. Okay, so what do you all think of this? This is the toffee with the sorbet. And I mean, those colors are so pretty. I do want this one really, really short. So let me fix it. Yep, like that. All right, so tell me what y'all think. So I got my earrings on, and the earrings, even these turquoise, match this because of the blue in the sorbet. All right, one piece left. And y'all know I am a huge fan of dangle earrings. So these are called the fairy dust, and they are a silver drop hoop style, but look at the detail in them with the extra little dots all the way around this big oval with these little tiny encapsulated crystals. And then up here at the top, look at that teardrop shape. Y'all, it is encrusted with crystals all the way around that big teardrop. You've got channel set crystals. These are stunning. So pretty. Let's see. Those are going to be so pretty on. And again, back to that token necklace. These with the token necklace. And I would also add, yeah, that would be definitely things that I would put together. So pretty. So those are the pieces that I have from the collection. Thank you all so much for being members of my review crew and being the first ones to unpack this with me. And I can't wait to hear your wish lists if they've changed. And if they haven't, let me know. And remember, if you decide that you want to do a party, I will give you your favorite piece from this collection as a gift from me. So, and of course, I am doing that giveaway for the wish list. So if you haven't gotten me your wish list, make sure you get me that, and I'll be back to you soon. Thank y'all, ladies. Have a good day. Bye.